Today I'm going to show you how to add a background and a logo to your live stream in StreamYard. Alright, so right over here in your StreamYard studio, once you've created your stream, we're not live yet. What we want to do on the right hand side, you will see media assets. Alright, well, we've got our logo over here, and if you are upgrading, you can actually use your own logo and you can change the placement. But right now, it is this little StreamYard ducky over here. Then you have your overlay over here. You have a QR code which you can add in, which is a new feature. And then if you go down, you will see your backgrounds. Now you can click on more, you'll find a bunch more backgrounds. These are image backgrounds, these are video backgrounds, and then you can just add your own background if you'd like. And of course, this is a paid feature, but go ahead and choose the background that you'd like. I've just chosen this one, and you will see that this is now the background. It is moving, it is animated, which is really nice. It's dynamic. So now you can add your background and you can add your logo and you can brand your very own stream.